Hi, I'm Babs Mayfield, and I'm here with my partner Bernie Sorenson and our terrier Biscuit. Our photo inspired the box that was created by Wendy Aiken, the painting and Biscuit by Jean Scheckler-Beebe, and the clothing and props by Judy Stabile. These progress photos will give you an idea of what the artists have been up to over the last year.
Oh my god, hi, how was your day? I missed you so much. I didn't leave the window once. I saw 17 birds, 2 squirrels, and 3 other dogs. Also, I pooped over there.